Good morning and Suprabhat to all the parents and students. Dear ones, I am extremely delighted to inform that under the able leadership of Reverend Sister Divya and the teachers, we are here to add a blissful feather in the Judean crown by conducting online morning assembly every Monday. Wants to say something interesting. Please listen.
Good morning everyone. Myself Nidhi of Standard 10th Daisy is here to speak the thought of the day. And my thought is, life is very complicated. Don't try to find answers, because when we try to find answers, life changes the question. I repeat, life is very complicated. Don't try to find answers, because when we try to find answers, life changes the questions. Now, presently, the question arises, how to carry on our lives normally during this pandemic? And the answer is that we must follow the plan designed by God, our parents and our teachers. Thank you everyone.
Thanks Nidhi for your great inspiring thought. Now, do you expect some wise words in this great occasion? Yes, now my friend Guru Mehak will grace this day with her wise words.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I, Guru Mehak Preet Kaur of Standard 10th Jasmine is here to share my views on the topic Advantages of Online Classes During this Period. The closure of the schools during the coronavirus pandemic has given a considerable rise to e-learning. Many students and teachers enter a new world of virtual lectures, tutorials and assessments. Online classes uplift the students psychologically as it makes them feel that even though the world has stopped, but their studies are continuing. Online classes makes the students far more responsible than the earlier. Their bonding with their teachers has become more warmer as a result of fearless communication. Online classes also helps the students to save their traveling time, hence more time can be devoted to enhance their skills. So to sum up all up, I can say that online classes came out as a panacea in the crisis. Online classes are proved as a boon for the students' studies as well as for their future. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home.
Now, Jasnoor will add a melodious tone in a morning.
Greetings to everyone. Myself Jasnoor of 10th Lead and I am going to recite a poem on women. She walks her path with her head up high. Connected with God, it's a time to fly. She's on a mission to complete her vision. Nothing can stop her, she's made her decision. With her heart on fire and a mind of gold, she achieves the impossible, she changes the world, she changes the world. Thank you.
Academic excellence is always a landmark achievement that leaves its footprints behind for others to follow. So Tab Toppers talk.
Good morning everyone. I am here to share with you my secret of cracking the topmost position in St. Jude's Convent School by securing 96.2% in ICSE boards. Dear friends, since you are sitting at your home, so I advise you to clear your concepts and have a good understanding of all the chapters by contacting your teachers frequently. You may study for short time but always study effectively. And my topmost advice to you is that never ever ignore the teachings and valuable suggestions of your teachers. I never ignored the homework given by them and was taking school tests very seriously. I wish you also to do the same and come out victorious. Thanks everyone.
Well done, Manveer. Your performance in the ICSE board examinations was excellent. Hope that we will also follow your path. Now, I conclude this day by giving you all a short message. Hope can be a powerful force, especially in difficult times. Today, the world is facing a coronavirus crisis, a pandemic that has changed life for millions of people. In times like these, hope can be a powerful force for reassurance. Many who are locked at home and the others who are working to prevent this virus need the reassurance that we shall overcome this.